Jalapeno on a stick. Yeah. Hi, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Cowboy Andy, and we're making Cowboy Relish today. You've heard of Cowboy candy. Well, this is Cowboy Relish for all you hot dogging lovers out there and sausage lovers out there. Oh, you put this on, it's going to be so good. Let me tell you. So I'm just going to be cutting up some of the ingredients. I got bell peppers here, I got jalapenos here, onion here. I got my spices to get yet, and I'll bring it right back when we go to mix it all together. So I'm going to show you how to cut an onion up today. So what I do is I cut here like this, I cut here like this, and like that, and like this, like that, straight across the top. Watch your fingers, because I kind of like to keep mine. Something about them, I don't know what. And then we turn it sideways and we do the same process here. You may be wondering why I do it this way. Well, you'll see in a blooming minute. Okay, then we turn it sideways and we cut it all off. Look at that. See how that goes? Now I need 3 cups of onion. 3 cups. Oh, look at that mess. Then when it comes out like that, cut her again. What we got here is we've got 3 cups of water, 3 cups of vinegar.
White vinegar?
White vinegar, yes. And I've got a cup of white sugar that I will be putting on once it gets boiled and watch it melt down. I sit there like this for hours. Anyway, I've got jalapenos in here, 3 cups, 30 jalapenos I got cut up, chopped, and I put them in the food processor. Boom, 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 boom. Right, okay, and then I've also got in here 1 bell pepper and 3 cups of onion, yellow onion in there.
3 yellow onions.
3 yellow onions,
yeah.
Yes. So right now what we're doing is I'm going to bring this to a boil and I'm going to put this into it. Okay? Follow me. There, we put our sugar in. Now.
It's dissolving.
It's dissolving.
You'll be eating this relish all by your lonesome.
That's okay.
There you go.
Now, I'm going to dump this into there.
That's some hot candied relish.
Oh, yeah. No room for sucky holes.
No.
Kindergarten baby. Wash your face with
I would
gravy.
eat it, you know that. I can't. And what we've got here is he's got his jars sterilizing for his hot water bath. Wow, this is gonna be good.
Oh, it's gonna be just marvelous.
You know how our friends steal the jalapeno candy, cowboy candy, right? When they know we've made it, they come over and
yeah.
I need a jar.
I know.
You know what's
Can I have some of that? Can I have some of that?
Cowboy candy relish.
Yep.
Oh. I think that's...
Gotta get all that goodness out of it. Okay.
Want me to take it?
Yes, I would.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Oh, that's so lovely.
Now I'm going to bring this to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, I'm going to let it simmer. Turn it down. I'm going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, I tell you. Okay, so now it's at a rolling boil. So we're going to turn this down to a simmer. Down to low. So, and then we can't stir it, we just let it sit.
How long?
Okay. 20 minutes.
Set your timer.
20 minutes.
Back in 20.
Back in 20. Okay, we're ready to go here, so in we go. Cowboy candy relish. Oh yeah, baby.
Smells like it would be good, babe.
Oh yeah, heck yeah. You leave half an inch of headspace in the top of this. Oh, it's gonna be good. Nope. I
Bit
might
too
have done
much.
too much. I might have need a spoon.
I'll get you a spoon and some vinegar to wipe your jars down.
I've got the vinegar.
Okay, just a spoon.
Yeah. Ooh, what was that? Oh. Okay, now we're going to debubble it. Oh yeah, look at the bubbles come up.
Surprising, isn't it?
Yeah. And you know, it's a lot of liquid in this, but I mean, relish is all, but it'll thicken up too.
You should always debubble even if it's a liquid because there's always a bubble in there.
Yeah. And because I had to scoop some out, I've obviously touched the sides. So, hot! Don't do that at home, kids.
Do you see where I said I need that hand one? The hand pot holder
Yeah.
for holding the jars? You can use this, hon, to hold the jar like this.
Oh, I see what you mean, yeah.
See? And
Yep.
then you can...
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Finger tight. You're rocking. You having trouble with that one?
I am.
Sometimes the rings get warped. If you're having issues
Yeah.
of cross threading and it won't... Did you get it?
I got it.
Okay, moving on to the next one.
About as tight as I
Oh,
wanna get it.
that's gonna be nice. How long do you have a hot water bath?
15 minutes.
Okay. And a 1/2 inch headspace.
And a 1/2 inch headspace, yep. So we'll bring you back after we get these all filled up. Stay tuned for station identification.
Cowboy
Candy.
relish.
Yeah. Okay, so we're putting them in now. Now they're a little bit watery, so maybe cut back on the brine to 2.5 cups to 2.5 cups of water, 2.5 cups of white vinegar, light vinegar.
Yeah, the added 1 cup of sugar to make
Yeah.
it cowboy candy relish did add more liquid once it
Yeah.
diluted, right?
But it's going to be good.
Oh, it is. You're
You
gonna
can smell
love
it. Just just
How many did you get?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
11 half pints.
11 half pints.
And we're gonna hot water bath this for,
15 minutes.
and we do not start the timer until
We're all in.
the water bath is boiling.
See?
See? I can't
Or-
leave you alone yet.
Or till they're all
Almost.
in.
No, all in doesn't mean nothing.
Well, you can't turn them on and let it start roll and boil
No,
without them all in.
this is not boiled. This
Okay.
is just bubbles escaping the jar. So,
Okay.
lid goes on and we'll be back when it starts to boil, we'll put the timer on for
That's right,
15
yeah.
minutes.
All right, see you then. Okay, I'm back. Now the buzzer went off, so I'm just going to turn it off, the heat, and then just leave her sit like that until she cools down for 5 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open this lid a little bit here, and I'm going to set it for another 5 minutes. What this does, it prevents the jars from purging, spewing their stuff out. There we go, 5 minutes, and I'll bring you back in 5 minutes. There we go.
All done.
Look at that.
Jalapeno candy
Cowboy
relish.
relish.
Yeah, cowboy candy relish.
That's right, yep.
Made with jalapenos, a green bell pepper, some onions. What else? Celery,
Celery, green bell pepper.
sugar,
You said that.
vinegar,
Sugar and vinegar.
water. Lovely.
It's going to be beautiful. Put that on a pork chop, or on a
Hamburger, a
hamburger,
hot dog.
hot dog, or sausage.
Ooh, they're pinging
better.
already. And you got 11 half pints?
Yep, 11.
Beautiful. There you
They're
go.
popping.
This is
Look at
not
that.
relish for the weak at heart.
Not for you babies out there who don't like hot.
I like hot. Just allergic to hot.
This is for cowboys.
Yeah. Listen to the pinging. Oh, we forgot to put vinegar in our hot water bath water.
Oh, we got good water.
So that means we're going to have to wipe them down with vinegar after to get
Because it'll be cloudy.
yeah, from the hard water.
Yeah. There we
That's
go. 11.
a beautiful thing.
There,
Look at
let's
that.
go. Hey everybody, Cowboy Candy Relish at hashtag Let's Can at Morris Patch Heaven. That's right.
Open collaboration.
Yeah.
All channels are welcome when they're canning to join in on the playlist. Just let them know and make sure hashtag Let's Can is in the video description and in your video title so that they can find it easier.
That's good, honey. You said it the same way I told you to. That's great.
Cowboy Candy Relish.
Yeah.
You did it all by yourself.
And we'll see you later. If you like this video, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. No, that's notification bell. And give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Think, what would you add to it? Because you don't have to have it exactly. You can add red peppers, you know, anything like that you want.
But jalapeno is needed.
But jalapenos got to be added.
Okay, everybody. See you next video.
Okay, see you next video.
Okay, Miss Angie, look at the jalapeno peppers in front of the king.
Jalapeno on a stick!